In this video, I will be showing you how to remove insights from Copilot in Edge. Let's get started. First, I go to my desktop and click to open the Microsoft Edge browser. Once the browser opens up on my screen, I click on the address bar at the very top. I type in the word Copilot and press Enter. This takes me into the Microsoft Copilot page. Now that I am here, I need to access the browser's main configuration settings. To do this, I move my cursor all the way up to the top right corner of the window. I click on the three horizontal dots, which opens up the main Edge menu. From this drop-down list, I move my mouse down towards the bottom and click on the Settings option. A new tab opens, bringing me to the Edge settings page. Instead of clicking through all the different menus on the left, I can quickly find exactly what I need by using the search function. I move my mouse to the search settings bar at the top left corner, click inside the box, and type in Copilot. Instantly, the main window on the right updates to show all of the settings connected to Copilot. I slowly scroll down the page to look through the available options. First, under the Copilot in Edge section, I see the option for Show Copilot button in Toolbar. I click the toggle switch to turn this off, which hides the icon from my browser. Next, I need to remove the actual data insights. I look just above that at the Privacy, Search, and Services section. There is an option that says Allow Microsoft to save your browsing activity. This feature includes the history, usage, and web content used to personalize Copilot. I click this toggle switch to turn it off as well. Now, Microsoft Edge will no longer share my browsing data to generate Copilot insights. I take a moment to scroll back up and down to verify that my settings are fully updated and toggled off. Everything looks correct, and the process is complete. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.